Unusual video here today, guys. While my neighbor Ed mows his yard, I killed my John Deere. Let's start with that. Completely killed it. Like, she blowed the deck all to pieces and the mandrel pulley things just shattered. So it's not been cutting grass. So I went this morning. Jesse got me a lead on a cheap mower until I can find a new deck for mine. And we cut with it for a little bit. And now we've decided gonna have to battle them.
What motor?
And then we'll get to that momentarily. Huh?
Right there?
The lawnmowers. Gotta battle them.
The John Deere's gonna get it.
I don't think so. We'll find out. Coming up on whatever we're gonna call this.
Lawnmower is it?
Whose lawnmower is it?
The green one or the dark green one?
Who cut it better? Alright. Everywhere.
I thought about trying to get
old
one.
people.
Yeah.
The old one. Pissing him and Grayson off.
Who? Yeah.
Because I literally smacked the telephone pole and not give a shit.
Yeah.
I was with you.
So this is the one Jesse led me about on this morning. We went and picked up. It's a yard machines by MTD.
And I got that.
Got that terrible variator drive transmission in it that doesn't actually have gears. It's got a 14.5
It's nice.
Briggs & Stratton IC Quiet, the overhead valve engine. It's it'll do okay, I guess.
I like the Paseo.
I like the Paseo. What are you talking about?
What I like it. I think it looks awesome.
Damn, the seat's hot.
Well, yeah, it's been sitting in the sun. So my John Deere doesn't mow. So we can't really do a cutting test because that's the reason we bought this one. And the only thing I've literally done since we took it off the trailer was put air in the tire and take this cover off, because it's got one of those covers that curves way down and blows all the shit right here in a small line. I don't like that. So this one I usually bungee cord up like that, and that one just is easier to unbolt, so we just unbolted it. So now we will
You doing what with it?
There's that one. There's that one. There's that one.
What are you doing with the burgundy one? Why? Why not? You wanted a 5-speed Corolla. You got one. Then what'd you do to it?
get with their conversation. So we don't have a key for this one, so I was using my big ring of keys, which I didn't carry over here with me. So let me go scrounge up. See, I think this key that is rusted in the ignition is the same one. And it is, so I just need to get another one of these. Jesse, you got your keys with you? Okay, let me go find a key, guys. So I dug through my hoard, and my hoard here at my house is not as strong as it is at my grandparents'. That's where all the lawnmowers are kept, but I found a screwdriver.
Ask him if I can,
So,
see,
here.
tell him you got someone who's got $100 straight.
See if that one will go in there.
And can give another 100 Tuesday.
Beautiful. Cut the fuel on. That one should be ready.
It's got wheels and stuff on it, right?
Throttle up.
I didn't raise this up some more?
Yeah, put it on the highest setting. Would you like to film, McDaniel? If you can handle it.
I'm gonna race it!
This is what happens on a Sunday afternoon when you pick up a lawnmower for 60 bucks. You race it against your other lawnmower. If you can get it to start. Jesse off to an early start because he's a dirty line cheater. Jay changing up the course. Just bought one and just gonna tear it up. Tim don't want to be in a shot, but he was in it anyway. I don't even really know who's winning.
Jay knows how to make that damn thing right really. He just don't want it to.
This is now turned into a street race.
Yeah, he just found the governor. That's the reason why I told you knew how to fucking get into the wheels and watch. If that old motor's got anything in it left.
Surprised your neighbors don't just hate you. Surprised your neighbors just don't hate you.
Well, they're not. Every time. Working that Kohler pieces.
Oh yeah. This is what happens on a Sunday afternoon.
If Jesse knew how to hit that governor, he'd actually get something.
That's a wrap, boys. And that's how you race lawnmowers on a Sunday.
Victory for the John Deere.
No, I beat you on the way up.
That thing rolls really easy.
Yeah, no.
You definitely got me on the rolling portion because that thing doesn't roll for shit.
I don't think it's a new
See, look, like,
shoe stuck.
as far as the pushing competition goes, the yard man wins the push. The yard man wins the rolling competition by a long shot.
All right, well, the interview with the winner, you have any words to say?
I'd like to thank my sponsors, Gatorade, Mountain Dew, Powerade. We had a good race today. It was a little hard in the final end. Car got a little bit tight in the turn, just made a few adjustments halfway through, and they seemed to pull through all right. But, you know, number 8 car did good, man. Hammer telltale going through the first, second turns, about lap 190, you know. Started losing some oil pressure in the motor. We band-aided together, did an oil swap in the pits on turn 2, and then, you know, she was fine after that. Ran good, you know. It was a good victory for Smart Racing, you know, overall, and we can't wait to see you back at Talladega next year.
All right, well, what about you, Jesse James, JDM? What happened? What happened in there?
Lost.
You lost?
Yeah.
Anything you want to contribute it to?
I lost
Nothing?
it down in turn 2 and I just gave up.
Yeah, well, it happens, you know. That's it over here for Lawnmower Racing down here in, you know, Chestona. We're here today. Hope you enjoyed it.
Here comes Jesse taking a loser lap.
Hey, stop this thing!